Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have BMW engine computer. Okay, here is the part number. If you are going to put the part number, you have to put like 02, the first line, 0261 SAM 09574. But if you want to put a bash part number, don't put no space. So 0261, all of it. So now we are trying, this is a DME for BMW. This one here, he say he have no communication. I don't know what happened to it, but he need to clone the information that is in here to this one. So first we are using Hexproc. They have Hexproc and they have AutoHex. They changed, now they have like 3 platforms. You see this one, they started by AutoHex, this one here. And after that, AutoHex is still working with the same by OBD. You can do a lot of functions. Then here we have Hexproc. Then they updated to Hexproc Tune. So let's go to Hexproc. It will not do cloning. It do like EEPROM reading and other functions. But this one here, you can do the tuning and all this. So let's try to start open it. You have to have a laptop charger ready. Be sure that connection here, and this one, it works by power. You have to have the charger for it ready. Now I'm gonna open it. Here it is. So if you want to do it, you're gonna come here, and if you want to do it by car or by ECU, I will go by ECU. Now here, if you know what module you're going to choose, okay, if it's not, you're going to come here and put the part number, which is 0260 SAM. You can make it in capital so you're not confused. SAM 09 then 574. Now search. Okay, result is not okay. Maybe I make a mistake. 0261. Now you see here, he give you 3 options. You need by OBD, you need by bench, you need by boot. I'm gonna go by this one here. Here you have the module here, TC 1797 17.2.6, which is here. Now what you need to do, go here in this place. If you want to see the wiring, you click here, then it show you Hexproc adapter. They call it Hexproc power module or Hexproc tri-core cable, anything that you want to check. But here they have the module, and here they have the wiring connection, ground, power. Just be sure that don't confuse it, or don't put like numbers in a different place, and it will give you more detail here. And if you need any question, you can ask it there. Here is the numbers. I just connected here, as you see. Now as soon as you are sure that it is okay, close this and go here. What you need to do, don't do anything here. If you want to read the ISN, which is if you want to program a key sorry, if you want to program a key or you want to do anything, so just click ISN here, and you gotta wait. It will unlock the module. It takes a little bit of time. You see, initialize communication. What I did that because the owner say he is not able to communicate with this module. He say error, no response from the ECU, which is very funny. I will back up again. I want to be sure that everything is good. Disconnect this, put it back. bash. Next, this nut. Let me go back, maybe I did some mistake here. This may be by OBD. This is by OBD. Let me go back. Next. Maybe I did mistake. Let me close this. Let me disconnect here. Disconnect the power. Okay, I need this. Let me go to backup because I read the ISN already. Let's try to communicate. If there's any problem, I will not be able to communicate. Yes, you see now I'm reading. I'm doing the backup. The same way you can do the ISN. I can show you how you read the ISN later, but if I do the backup, I'm going to save it. And then the same way that the connection are here, we're going to connect the new one, the donor, and then proceed to the next level. Stay with us, please. This is with this is with this one here is with Hexaproc. If you are using other tools, they work. I'm going to try to see if Hotel does, how it does it, and other items if they're available. Also, we will check it and see. Please stay with us. And also, subscribe, share, and like. And see you also in other videos. And I really appreciate your support. Thanks. It has almost like 29-30 sectors. You see, it's good by details. And this is a backup. After you put it in, you can write down. Okay, that's it. Backup DME for today. Let me change the names and then we come from there. Okay. Save. Save. This is original. I save this one here. I can go back now and I come back again. You can disconnect this power and just to reset it so that it cannot get confused. I'm gonna go back here. If you need to read the ISN, I gotta go back to the same one, for example. Now I need to read the ISN. Let me see. This ISN says there's no power. There's no power, no external power. Very strange. Let me see again. That's weird. Read ISN. Good. Okay, see, read the ISN for me. Now you can go use ISN to add keys or program keys. Okay, so we good now. Let's see one thing more. The same thing you can do by OBD. Can identify the computer. It's a low battery reference. I will go back. I will try to, I don't know, is that the way it's supposed to be? I'm not sure, but disconnect everything. I don't know if you can read it. If it's not, I'm not gonna bother with it. This is all a test. Identify. No. I gotta go again. Full code. Reading full code. Say no power. Okay. Back. Let me see this one. Is that because of the system or read ISN. If they say we have power problem, okay, if it's not, the OBD system maybe is different. Oh, the OBD system maybe, yeah, so it's true. So if you want to do OBD, you have to disconnect this, you have to disconnect this one here, and you have to use the OBD cable in the car, I believe, in the car system, by the car. Okay, now let me see something. I'm gonna do that later on, and you can write the ISN number also if you want. Now I'm gonna take the wire from here. I'm gonna disconnect this, reset it. I will disconnect those wire again, connect it to the other one, then I will come back. If you want me to show you how to disconnect it, I don't believe you need that one, but I have my magnifier to put it correctly in the right place. Here also I will go to the wiring, because there is no connection. In order for you to read the wiring, you have to have this one connected. If it's not connected, you cannot see any wiring. At least connect it. Now let me see. You don't need power, I believe, for wiring. They just need to see the module. So here I'm going to keep this one like this, and I will take this one out, bring this one and put the wire on it. I will come back.